Snoring keeping you up? These tips can help. A subject like snoring is something a lot of people don't really like to talk about, but they probably do think about it from time to time. If you want to expand your knowledge in the subject of snoring, then look no further. You can discover some insightful information in this video. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. One trick that many spouses have learned when they have to sleep with a snorer is to nudge them until they turn over on their side. The change in position will often alleviate the problem, at least temporarily. While it is no fun to have to constantly nudge your spouse, sometimes that is the only way you can get to sleep. Don't eat dairy products before bed. Dairy products can be a major contributor to your snoring problem. While they may be fine to consume during the day, consuming milk, yogurts, and even ice cream before you go to bed can cause a buildup of mucus. Mucus clogs your air passages and you snore as a result. If your child snores, make an appointment with your pediatrician. Nose and throat problems as well as obesity are often the cause of snoring in children. Obtaining treatment for these underlying conditions can help your child stop snoring and get a good night's sleep. In addition, serious or bothersome health problems can be corrected simultaneously. By using all of the information that you learned from this video, you should start to feel a lot more confident about reducing the amount of snoring you do while you're resting your body. You don't have to be indefinitely embarrassed about snoring, because if you apply what you learned from this video, then your snoring could become history. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.